everybody, Louis Sanchez here. I wanted to demonstrate to you all the backflow valve, your sewer backflow valve prevention. This is pretty important. If you don't have one, I would recommend putting one in, get it installed, give us a call, and we can do it for you. But as you can see right here, we've got a two-way clean out. I want to mention too that this is a new sewer installation. Their existing septic drain field failed, and so now we went ahead and hooked them up to the city sewer. So yeah, I just wanted to show you on the backflow valve here. It doesn't matter if you're in a crawl space or in a basement. We can adjust the height of it by adding more pipe, but the backflow valve is will stop sewage that comes from the city sewer main line from creeping up and backing up into your house and into your basement or your crawl space or house. Okay, so I just wanted to show you how easy it is. All you have to do here is grab a hold of the 1.5-inch pipe, and there you will see the backflow apparatus. The flap is what I call it here, but this will allow water to come out of your home, but it won't allow water to go into your home. Okay, and I'll go ahead and show you right here. These are really easy to install. They've got a little notch right here, so they can only be put in one way. And if you look close enough right here, there's some arrows right there. They say flow. There's an arrow here and an arrow down here. So there's only one way really that you can put them on. Otherwise, they won't fit. Okay, so yeah. So we'll just go ahead and put that back in there. Make sure my direction's going to the flow coming out of the house. Just as easy as that. And yeah, so I just wanted to show you all the backflow valve here. And like I say, they're pretty vital. I would recommend on getting these installed on every home, every business. You're going to be way better off and be able to sleep better at night. All right, guys, thanks for watching and take care.